friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a wig from Reshine. They sent me this basically effortless wig, all right? So it comes pre-cut. It's supposed to be a ready-to-wear unit, but of course I needed to bleach my knots because yes, it was kind of bleached in the middle, but it wasn't bleached enough. So I had to go in and do a little bit of work. But it comes with an elastic band, adjustable straps, combs, everything you need to make this wig glueless. You could do it with this particular wig, okay? So I did show you the unboxing and how it came in the pretty beautiful pink packaging. And this is a 28-inch, and I believe it's a deep wave. The wig is luscious, okay? She is soft, she is fluffy, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into bleaching the knots. I'm using 30 volume developer with quick blue. I'm mixing it all together so I can apply it on the lace. So after I apply it, I'm gonna make sure that I have the bleach pushed through to cover the knots. And then I'm gonna go ahead with some little aluminum foil and I'm gonna place that on the lace just to help incubate the bleach, to help warm it up. It's cold in LA, it's cold in my house, so I need this extra step to help the lace and the knots process, okay? To wash this wig, I'm going to use Vanilla No Yellow purple shampoo to tone out the brassiness of the knots. Then you see some shampoo or conditioner. You see conditioner because I did go in with some dishwashing soap to actually wash the wig just to make sure that there was nothing on this wig. I wanted to make sure that it was thoroughly clean, okay? So I'm going to rinse off all the bleach, make sure everything is off this lace, the bleach, all of it is gone. And then I'm going to take some purple shampoo. This is a very opaque shampoo, so therefore it's going to turn your knots quickly. So I'm showing you how deep it is. I put it on the lace, I massage it in, I'm sorry. And then I'm going to go take some dishwashing liquid, also lather the hair up, massage it through, make sure that it's clean, and comb the product through with a brush just to make sure that there is no tangles or knots in this wig, because you do not want your wig to tangle up while you are shampooing. That is a headache, okay? So after I do that, I'm going to rinse it out and then go in with the conditioner portion, but I'm not going to show you that. I just use conditioner. Read the instructions on the back of any bottle. It's okay. So this is what it turned out looking like. It is bomb, okay? So I did let it air dry. I didn't put any product on this wig whatsoever. I just gave it a middle part. I did not pluck it. This is how the wig came, okay? So after I let it air dry, this is what she looks like. But I am going to go in and kind of like, you know, press out the edges and everything like that, because it's just going to make the install look better and let me have less work to do when it comes to installing. All right, so I'm gonna take some wax stick, I'm gonna put that all over the hairline and the parting, and then I'm gonna take some of the Beyond the Zone heat protecting spray. I love to use this because if you ever wondered how, you know, celebrity hairstylists got that shine, it's this product. And it's one more product that's out there. I'll definitely do a video on it, but this gives it that little luster shine on the wig, and I just love it. It just makes the front of the hairline look so neat. And at this point, I'm just fluffing out the wig just to make it, to like separate some of the curls, because it was basically clumping together. Okay, so this wig is supposed to be a glueless wig and it's supposed to come ready to wear. As you saw, I did bleach this because I did see some knots. The actual part did come bleached, but the rest of it was not. So I needed to make sure that the hairline was gonna hit, you feel me? Now, a lot of these wigs are coming with the lace already cut, as you can see. I guess this is supposed to make it easier for the installer. I myself like a little bit of lace. I like to have that little razzle dazzle, especially when it comes to installing. It does come with, as you saw before, an elastic band. So I'm gonna just go ahead and slide her on. So she is snug. Let me adjust her. Let me adjust her. So boom, okay. Now, as you see, the lace is a little light on me, and I can actually go in and cut a little bit more of the lace off. So I'm gonna take some of my makeup and I am going to put that on the lace. And then I'm gonna go in with the darker shade of the darker side. I need to actually go to the beauty supply and get some more. And then I am going to deepen it a little bit because I got a contour on. So this is what it's looking like right now. It's not bad. That's not bad at all. Okay. Now, I'm going to actually take some zigzag scissors, and I'm gonna cut some of this lace off. It's a little bit too much for me because I can see it, so I'm gonna just go ahead and pull it off. Have it sitting like that so I can see. And I'm gonna just go ahead and cut some of this lace. Not too much. It's just a little bit that was on there that was like annoying. And I only cut that much off, as you can see. Not a lot. So I'm about to wear this out. I need to go to the beauty supply, but it is very windy in LA. Very. So yes, it's glueless. As you can see, it fits perfectly good, but I don't like using the combs. I'm going to spray a little bit of this. This doesn't necessarily need baby hair. I might do a little bit of wispies around the hairline, but that's about it. But I am going to use my Red by Kiss to adhere this wig down. This is a temporary spray. And at this point, I'm just gonna go ahead and just like fix the hairline, make it look nice. I have this Cantu Wave and Curling Whip, and I use this on all of my hair, straight, curly, whatever, to help tame it or to style the baby hairs. This actually looks really good. I don't think that I need baby hairs, but I am going to help tame the hair though. So best friends, this is basically the end of this video. I'm just gonna make sure that the hairline look nice. I'm gonna apply my mousse just to make sure that the hair isn't as puffy, because it is a little bit frizzy. So I want to make sure that it is giving, you feel me? So I'm gonna apply the mousse on the perimeter of the hairline, work it in. I'll put it at the top of the hairline as well, just to make sure that everything is smooth and looking nicely. And I just want to make sure that the hairline and the parting and everything is just super flat. I like flat hair. All right, so that's all I'm doing. If you are interested in this glueless wig, I will have a link down below in the description box for you guys. All you got to do is go click it and see if you are interested in it. Okay, so and everything that I use will be in the description box for you guys as well. And until next time, bye best friends.